Hi guys, Winnie here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own optical illusion with a narwhal. So let's get started. In order for this to work, I had to stretch my original drawing in a certain way, and so that's why I'm tracing right now, because that's the only way I can get it correct. So after I'm done inking it, I'm basically just going to color it and cut it out. After you have your narwhal colored and cut out just like this, you can start to bring it to life. So this optical illusion will not work with the naked eye. What you're going to need is your phone camera, or just your regular camera, or any tablet that you have, and you're going to need to view it through that camera to make this optical illusion work. So let's get started. I'm going to show you as I turn this narwhal around. So my camera is right here, and I'm just going to turn this narwhal around. And ta-da! Pretty cool, right? All of a sudden it looks like it's floating. Let me push it back a tiny bit so that the horn is above that, and it sells it even better. And you can even put stuff here, like you can just play around with it, see what works. So I put my phone there, makes it look even better. Maybe my Sharpie, something in the background, a little bit further out. And that's it. So if you want to do this also, just go to my website at drawsocute.com, and I have this printout already done for you. All you guys have to do is color it and cut it out, just like I have, and you can do this too at home. So hopefully you guys love this 3D optical illusion and you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.